Right now, you are surrounded by more humans than anyone in history. 8 billion people, all connected, all just seconds away. And yet, 1 in 3 adults says they feel lonely on a regular basis. Not sometimes, regularly, quietly, everywhere. Loneliness has become so widespread that governments treat it like an epidemic. And this is the science of why and how to escape it. First, the truth. Loneliness is not weakness, and it is not being alone. Loneliness is a bodily function, just like hunger. Hunger makes you pay attention to your need for food. Loneliness makes you pay attention to your need for people. Your body cannot ask for connection with words, so it asks with pain. And for millions of years, that pain kept you alive. For most of human history, your ancestors survived in groups of around 150 people. Everything was shared: food, warmth, protection. Being pushed out of the group was not an inconvenience. Alone in the wilderness, exclusion was a death sentence. So evolution built an alarm into your brain: social pain. Rejection activates some of the same regions as physical injury. When someone breaks your heart, hurt is not a metaphor. Your brain treats it like a wound and demands that you fix it. Then, in an evolutionary eye blink, we dismantled the tribe. We moved into cities of strangers, chasing freedom and privacy. We changed jobs, changed towns, changed partners. We built lives our ancestors could not imagine, and lost what the alarm protects. In 1990, most people reported having several close friends. Today, the most common answer is 1 or 2, some say none. Hundreds of contacts, thousands of followers, but your brain does not count followers. It counts something much older. Who would sit with me? Who would notice if I disappeared? Who really knows me? Loneliness was designed as a short, sharp signal, like hunger before a meal. It was never meant to stay switched on. When it never switches off, your body reacts as if in constant danger. Stress hormones rise, and they stay risen. Sleep turns light and broken, because part of your brain still keeps watch for a tribe that is not there. Chronic loneliness raises the risk of an early death about as much as smoking a pack of cigarettes every single day. But the cruelest damage is not in your body. Chronic loneliness quietly changes how your mind sees other people. Your brain shifts into self-protection. It scans every room for threat and finds the one face that did not smile. A friend replies late, and your mind supplies the reason. They are pulling away. At night, you audit every conversation, so you keep your distance. You decline the invitation. You answer warmth with caution, and people slowly stop reaching out. Which proves exactly what your lonely brain predicted. Nobody is coming. Loneliness becomes a prophecy that fulfills itself. But here is the good news. A loop that runs on autopilot can be noticed. Start by treating assumptions as hypotheses, not fact. When you assume rejection, look for the evidence. Usually, people are just busy, distracted, and worried about themselves, not judging you. Then reverse the filter. Register the smile, the invitation, the small kindness your brain has been trained to throw away. Connection is built from embarrassingly small moves. One message, one coffee. Each feels risky to a lonely brain. Almost none are. Loneliness is a hunger, not a shame. It only means you have needs. And millions of people feel exactly this right now. Someone behind one of these windows is hoping somebody reaches out. Maybe today, that somebody is you.